In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Evernote on your mobile device. To get started, open the Evernote app on your phone or tablet and sign into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the home screen. This is where Evernote gives you quick access to the things you use most, like your notes, tasks, and other helpful widgets. It's designed to make navigation simple, so this is a good place to begin anytime you open the app. When you're ready to create something new, tap the green plus button. That will open a new note, where you can start typing right away. Inside a note, you can do more than just write plain text. You can add checklists for to-do items, format your content to make it easier to read, and attach files when you need to keep everything together in one place. If you want to capture paper documents, receipts, or handwritten notes, tap the camera option. This lets you scan items directly into Evernote, which is especially useful when you want to store important information digitally and keep it easy to search later. Evernote can also help with planning and productivity. You can create tasks to manage your to-do list and keep track of deadlines, which is helpful if you want your notes and action items in the same app. To stay organized, tap Notebooks and group related notes into separate notebooks. You can also add tags to your notes, which makes finding specific information much faster later on, especially as your library grows. If you need access when you don't have internet, open a notebook or note, tap the three dots, and choose the option to make it available offline. That way, you can still view important content on the go. You can also share text, links, and images from other apps directly into Evernote using your device's share menu. And the best part is that any changes you make will automatically sync across your mobile device, desktop, and the Evernote web app.